Good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you on the online platform of Captain Jile Singh Academy. And our today's class is about the numbers, and we will continue with the numbers. Last class, what we did the numbers from 1 to 50. We also did the pronunciation, how to pronounce the numbers, and how to write the numbers in Spanish. So, today we will continue with the numbers, and today we will try or we will cover numbers from 51 to 100. 51 to 100, how to say numbers and how to write the numbers, the exact correct pronunciation and all the numbers. So after this class, what after this class students are able to learn or they are able to write the numbers from 1 to 100 in Spanish. In previous class, we did the numbers from 1 to 50, and today we will do the numbers from 51 to 100 one by one, 50 starting from 51 and then till 100. And before starting, just do a quick revision of the previous class. That, for example, how to say 20. I told you 20 is way in te, and 21 is way in ti, and then 1 is uno. So the difference is that the last alphabet in 20 is e, and in 21 the last alphabet is I. From 21 till 29, the same pattern you have to follow. 20, uno, then 20, dos, 20, tres, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 30 is 30. So this was about 20. Then I also told you from 16 till 19. From 16 till 19, you have to remember one word, that is DAC. DAC, then 6 is 6. 6 is 6. DAC 6. Then DAC 7. DAC 8. DAC 9. Till 16 to 19, you have to remember only this word DAC, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. DAC 8, DAC 9, DAC 6, 26. Then, sorry, how to say 30? 30 was 30. 30. 30 is 30. 30 is 30. 40, 30 is 30. 40 is 40. Cuarenta. 40. 40 is 40. And 20 I told you, 20. And 10 is 10. One more number, 15. Lot of students are confused, like 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14 is 14, but it is 15 is 15, Quince, Quince, Quince is 15. So this was the revision of the previous class, and after that, now we are going to start with the today's class, and it is about the numbers from 51 to 100, how to write and what is the correct pronunciation of numbers from 51 to 100 in Spanish. So 50 is cincuenta. 50 is cincuenta. Cincuenta. Cincuenta is 50. Cincuenta. Cincuenta is 15. Then I told you the same pattern you have to follow from 51 till 59. Starting from 51 till 59, again you have to follow the same pattern. In between you have to put some space, and in space you have to write y. Y is and, the pronunciation of y is e, and the meaning of y is and in Spanish. So you know that 50 is cincuenta. Cincuenta in space y, and uno is 1, means cincuenta. The pronunciation of y is e, uno. Cincuenta y uno means 51. Then 52 is same. 50 is cincuenta. 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 E, and 2 is dos. 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 Cincuenta. Cincuenta. Here it is n. Cincuenta. E. 2 is dos. Cincuenta y dos means 50 and 2. 52. 50 and 2. 52. Cincuenta y dos. 52. Same pattern. 53. Cincuenta. Cincuenta y 3 is tres. 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 Cincuenta y tres means 50 and 3 is 53. Cincuenta y tres. 50 and 3. 53. Cincuenta y tres. 54. Same. Cincuenta. Cincuenta. Cincuenta is 50. Then 4 is, how to say 4? 4 is cuarenta. Cuarenta. Sorry, 4 is cuatro. Cuarenta is 40. 4 is cuatro. 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 Cincuenta y cuatro means 50 and 4. 54. Then 55. Cincuenta is 50 in space or in between y. Y means e. The pronunciation of y is e, and the meaning is and. 5 is cinco. Cinco. Cinco is 5. Cincuenta y cinco. Cinco. 50 and 5. 55. 50 and 5 is equal to 55. Then 56. Cincuenta. Cincuenta y 6 is seis. 6. Cincuenta y 6. 50 and 6. 56. 50 and 6. 56. The pronunciation of 50 is cincuenta. 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 Cincuenta y 6. 52. 52. 53. 53. 54. 54. cincuenta y cinco, 55, 56, 56. Now 57. 50 is cincuenta. You all know 50 is cincuenta. Cincuenta. So 57. 50 is cincuenta. Cincuenta. In between E and 7 is, how to say 7? 7 is, previous class we did it. 7 is siete. SIETE. 50 and 7. 57. Cincuenta y siete. 50 and 7. 57. 58. CINCUENTA. 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 EOCHO. 8. 8 is ocho. 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 Cincuenta is 50 and Y is and ocho is 8. Cincuenta is 50. So 50 and 8 is equal to 58. Now 59. Cincuenta. 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 Cincuenta is 50. CINCUENTA. Cincuenta. In between Y, E. The meaning of Y is E. And 9 is nueve. 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 Cincuenta. E. Nueve. 50 and 9. 59. So from 51 till 59, you have to just remember cincuenta. How to say 50? Cincuenta is 50. Then the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same. Then move to the 60. How to say 60? 60 is sesenta. 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 Sesenta is 60. Sesenta. Sesenta is 60. Sesenta. Now again 61 till 69, the same pattern you have to follow. You have to just remember how to say 60. After that, in the space or in between, you have to put Y or E. You can say and. Then how to say 1, how to say 2, 3, 4, 5, same till 9. Let's do it. 61. So 60 is SESENTA. Sesenta is 60. In between the space and in space you have to write Y. The meaning of Y in Spanish is and the pronunciation of Y is E. Sesenta E. Then 1 is UNO. Uno. Sesenta y uno means 61. Sesenta y uno. Sesenta y uno. 60 and 1 is equal to 61. Sesenta is 60. E means and. Uno means 1. Sesenta is 60. 60 and 1 is equal to 61. Then 62. Same. Sesenta, 60. SESENTA. Sesenta. 60 is 60. E, how to say 2? 2 is dos, DOS. So 2, 60 y dos. 60 and 2, 62. 60 y dos. 62. 62. 62. 63. Same. SESENTA. 60 3 is TRES. Tres. So 60 y tres. 60 and 3. 63. 63. 60 and 3. 63. 63. 64. 60 y 4 is 4. CUATRO. 4. 60 and 4 is equal to 64. 60 is 60. E means and. 4 is 4. 60 y 4. 60 and 4. 64. Then same 65. How to say 60? 60 is SESENTA. 60. 60 is 60. In between Y. Y means and. E. Cinco. Cinco is 5. CINCO. CINCO. 60 y 5. 60 y 3. 60 y 2. 60 y 5. 60 y 5 means 60 and 5. 65. 66. 60 SESENTA. 60 y 6 is 6. SEIS. SEIS. 66. 60 y 6. 60 y 6. 60 and 6. 60 y 6. 66. Now 67. 67 is, you all know that 60 is 60. The pronunciation of 60 is 60. The pronunciation of 60 is 60. 60. 60. So the pronunciation of 60 is 60. 67. So 60 is SESENTA. 60. And how to say 7? 7 is SIETE. Siete. And in between you have to write Y. Y means and. E. The pronunciation of Y is E. And the meaning of Y is in Spanish and. 60 y 7. 68. 68 is 8. OCHO. OCHO. 8. 60 y 8 means 60 and 8, 68, 60 and 8, 68, 69. 60 is 60 and 9 is, how to say 9? 9 is nueve. Nueve. Nueve is 9 and nuevo is new. N-U-E-V-E. Nueve means 9 and N-U-E-V-O. Nuevo is new. So don't be confused between these two words. Nueve means 9 and nuevo is new. So 60 E-N-U-E-V-E. Nueve. 60 y nueve. 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 In the previous class, we already done the pronunciation in Hindi also. The if you want to write, you can search our previous class or you can see our previous class. In the previous class, we did all the numbers with the Hindi pronunciation also. So if you are confused how to pronounce it, then just look at our previous class. Just watch our previous class lecture. So now 70, the same pattern again. Starting from 71 till 79, you have to follow the same pattern. How to say 70? 60 is 60. 60 is 60. 70 is 70. S-E-T-E-N-T-A. Setenta. Setenta. Seteneta. Setenta. Setenta. Setenta is 70. Then again from 71 till 79, you have to follow the same pattern. You have to just remember how to say 70. Then from after 70, in between you have to put y. Y means e. The meaning is and. Then how to say 1, how to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 71. 70 is S-E-T-E-N-T-A. Setenta. In between y means and. Uno. Uno means 1. Setenta y uno. 70 and 1. Setenta y uno. Setenta y uno. Setenta y uno means 70 and 1. 71. Setenta is 70. E means and. Uno means 1. Is equal to 71. 70 and 1. 71. 72. Setenta y 2 is DOS. Dos. Setenta y dos. Setenta y dos means 70 and 2. 72. 70 and 2. 72. Setenta y dos. Setenta y dos. Setenta y dos means 70 and 2. 72. Setenta y dos. Same 73. S-E-T-E-N-T-A. Setenta y 3 is 3. Setenta y 3. Setenta y 3 means 70 and 3. Setenta y tres. 70 y tres means 70 and 3. 73. 73. 74. SETENTA. For 70 is 70. In between Y, the meaning of Y is and the pronunciation is E. And 4 is CUATRO. 74 means 74. 70 y 4. 4 is 4. 4. So 74 means 50 and 4, 54. Sorry, 70 and 4, 74. Then 70 y, how to say cinco? 5. Cinco is 5. So 70 y 5. 70 y 5 means 50, 70 and 5. 75. 70 y 5 means 70 and 5 means 75. 70 and 5. 70 y 5 means 70 and 5. 75. So now come to 76. How to say 76? 70 is 60, 70 and 6 is 6. So 76 will be SETENTA. 70 6 is SEIS. 6 is SEIS. SETENTA. 70 6. 70 y 6 means 70 and 6. 76. Then 77. SETENTA. 70 y SIETE. 7. SIETE. 70 y 7. 70 y 7 means 76. 70 is 70, 6 is 6. Oh, sorry, 7 is 7 and 70 is 70. So 70 y 7 means 70 and 6. 76. 78. SETENTA. 70 y 8 is 8. OCHO. 70 y 8. 70 y 8 means 70 is 70, E means and 8 is 8. 70 and 8, 78. 79. SETENTA. 70 y 9 is NUEVE. NUEVE means 70 y 9. 79. 79 means 79. So I told you that starting from 71 till 79, you have to follow the same pattern. You have to just remember how to say 70 and the same words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now come to the 80. How to say 80? 80 in Spanish is ochenta. 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 The pronunciation of 80 is ochenta. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Ochenta. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Again, the same pattern you have to follow starting from 81 till 89. You have to follow the same pattern. You have to just remember how to say 80 in Spanish, and after that again you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 89. So start 81. You know 80 is ochenta. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Ochenta is 80. In between you have to keep a space, and then 1 is uno, and in space you have to write y. The meaning of y in Spanish is and the pronunciation is e. Ochenta y uno. Ochenta y uno. Ochenta y uno means 80 and 1. 81. Ochenta y uno means 80 and 1. 81. Then again 82. Same. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Ochenta is 80. E dos. D-O-S. 2 is dos. The pronunciation of 2 is dos. D-O-S. Ochenta y dos. 80 and 2. 82. Ochenta y dos. So 80 and 2, 82. Ochenta y dos. 82. 82. Again 83. You know 80 is ochenta. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. And in between you have to write E means Y, and 3 is T-R-E-S. Tres. Ochenta y tres. Ochenta y tres. Ochenta y tres means 80 and 3. 83. Come to 84. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Ochenta. It is ochenta. Y 4 is cuatro. C-U-A-T-R-O. C-U-A-T-R-O means ochenta y cuatro. Cuatro is 4. Ochenta y cuatro means 80 and 4. 84. 85. Same. How to say 80? 80 is ochenta. O-C-H-E-N-T-A. And in space, you have to write Y. Y means and. And 5 is S-C-I-N-C-O. C-I-N-C-O. Ochenta y cinco means 80 and 5. Ochenta y cinco. 80 and 5. 85. Then O-C-H-E-N-T-A. Ochenta is 80. Ochenta y 6 is S-E-I-S. 6. S-E-I-S. 6. Ochenta y 6. Ochenta y 6. 6 is 6. So the pronunciation will be ochenta y 6. 86. how to say 87? 7 is 7 and 80 is 80. So 80 y 7. 7 is 7. 80, OCHENTA, 80. E, 7 is 7, SIETE, 7. 80 y 7. 80 y 7 means 80 and 7, 87. 80 y 7. 88. OCHENTA, 80 y 8 is OCHO. 8 is OCHO. The pronunciation of 8 is ocho. 80 is 80. 80 y 8 means 88. 80 y 8. 80 and 8, 88. Then 89. 80 is 80, OCHENTA, and 9 is, I told you, NUEVE, nueve. 80 y 9, NUEVE. The pronunciation is nueve, nueve, nueve. So 80 y 9. 9. 80 y 9 means 89. So 81 till 89, the same pattern. Now come to the 90. How to say 90 in Spanish? 90 is noventa. 90 is, the pronunciation of 90 is noventa and the spelling is NOVENTA. The pronunciation is noventa. Spelling is NOVENTA. Noventa. Noventa means 90. Noveneta. Noventa. Noventa. Again, starting from 91 till 99. Starting from 91 till 99, you have to follow the same pattern. You have to follow the same pattern. You have to just remember how to say 90. How to say 90 in Spanish, and after that, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 91. Let's start with the 91. 90 is noventa. In between space, and in space you have to write Y, and 1 is uno. So noventa y uno means 90 and 1. 90 and 1. Noventa y uno. 92. Noventa is 90 y 2 is dos. DOS. Noventa y dos means 90 and 2. Noventa is 90. Y means and uno means 1. 90 and 1. 91. Same. 90 and 2. 92. Noventa y dos. Noventa y dos. 92. 93. Noventa y 3 is tres. TRES. Noventa y tres. 93. Noventa E tres means 90 and 3, 93, 94, 90, Noventa, 90 E, 4 is cuatro, Cuatro, 4 is cuatro, 90 E, cuatro means 90 and 4, 90 Y, cuatro, 90 and 4, 90 Y, cuatro, 90 and 4, 94. Next is 95. 90 is 90. 5 is cinco, 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 and in between you have to put y, or you have to write y. The meaning of y is and the pronunciation is e. So 90 y cinco, 90 y uno, 91, 90 y dos, 92, 90 y tres, 93, 90 y cuatro, 94, 90 y cinco, 95, 90 y cinco means 90 and 5, 95, 90 y cinco, 90 and 5. Then 90 is 90 and 6 is 6. 90 y 6, 90 y 6, 96, 90 y 6, 90 y 6 means 90 and 6, 96. Now come to 97. Same pattern you have to follow. 90 is 90 and 7 is siete. So 97 will be 90 y 7 is siete, Siete. 90 y siete, 90 and 7 means 97, 90 y siete. So 90 and 7, 97, 98. 90 is 90 y ocho, 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 90 and 8. Ocho means 8. So 90 y ocho, 90 and 8, 98, 99. 90, Novente, and E. 9 is Nueve, nueve. 90 y nueve, 90 y nueve, 90 y nueve means 90 and 9, 99. Now the last one is 100. So 100 is Cien, Cien. Cien is 100. Cien, Cien, Cien. Cien is 100. So this was the numbers, or these were the numbers from 51 till 100 in Spanish. One thing you have to keep in your mind, that you have to just remember how to say 50, how to say 60, how to say 70, how to say 80, and how to say 90. All these you have to remember, and after that only you have to follow the one pattern. You have to just remember 1, 2, 3. You have to write, and in between you have to put y. Y means and the meaning is, the pronunciation is e, and the meaning is and. Means, for example, 98, 90 and 8, 98. So this is the pattern. Previous class I also told you it, the pattern you have to follow from 31 till 99. In between you have to put y. Starting from 31 till 99 you have to put y in the between, and you have to just remember how to say 30, how to say 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So if you remember how to say 70, how to say 80, how to say 30, how to say 40, then it will be easy for you to do the numbers in Spanish, to write the numbers and to remember the numbers. So numbers we done till 100. In the previous class we did till 1 to 50, and this class we did the numbers from 51 to 100. So next class we will do some another topic, and numbers we did now till 100, including this class, and the previous class we did 100 numbers till 100. So again, if you have any doubt, contact us at Captain Jile Singh Academy, Charkhi Dadri. Thank you and have a nice day.